In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed custom code into your Webflow site. This is a great way to add extra functionality or unique elements to your website, allowing you to tailor your site's user experience to better suit your audience's needs. Let's start by opening Webflow. Once you're logged into your Webflow account, you'll see your dashboard displaying all your stored projects. Look for and select the site you're ready to work on. If you're new to Webflow, your dashboard might look sparse, but don't worry. Once you get the hang of it, you'll find it's a remarkably powerful tool. After opening your site, the next crucial step is identifying precisely where you want to embed the custom code. It's important to have a clear idea of where you want this new feature to appear, because it can affect your site's aesthetic and functionality. Do you want it on the homepage for immediate impact, or is it better suited to a specific service or product page? This decision will guide us in the next steps. Once you've pinpointed where the code should go, navigate to the specific page within your site where this new element will live. In case you're unsure, you can easily switch between pages using the page navigator on the left sidebar. Having found your target page, it's time to add the custom code. Look over to the toolbar on the left and click on Add Elements. This action will open a menu that lists various elements you can add to your site, everything from simple text to complex video widgets. For our purposes, we'll need to scroll down through these options. As you move down the list, keep an eye out for Embed or Code Embed. These are your go-to choices for adding custom HTML or other types of code to your Webflow page. Once you find the Code Embed option, click on it. This action will create a new element on your page where the code can be inserted. A small field will appear asking for your code input. This is where you'll paste the custom code you prepared earlier or received from a third-party application or service. With your code in place, it's a good idea to check it requires no edits or adjustments. Do a quick review to ensure everything looks correct, as a small typographical error can sometimes cause the feature to not display as intended, or worse, cause unintended functionality. Finally, the last step is to click Publish. This process makes all your changes live on the site for the world to see, so take a moment to ensure everything is set before you proceed. Once published, visit your live site to verify that everything appears as expected and functions smoothly. This is your moment to enjoy the fruits of your labor, witnessing firsthand the custom feature enhancing your web presence. Embedding code in Webflow might seem a bit daunting at first, but with these steps, you'll find it's a manageable and rewarding experience. Happy coding!